What's going on, guys? So I'm here at the Hershey RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania, biggest RV show in North America, and I am going to take a look at this all new Delta travel trailer from the folks over at Alliance. This is a rear kitchen floor plan, and it is all new. They just came out with their travel trailer lineup like a few months ago, and you know, since then they've expanded upon it. So now they have, what, 5 different floor plans, and the one we're going to look at today is this one right here. And I'm super excited to see it because they've done some really special things on this one, and this one might actually be one of my favorites if it pulls it off well. But I have not been inside yet, so this is going to be a surprise for both of us. I'm not going to spend too much time on the outside of the RV. I'll go over a few things like what's behind here, some of the stuff back here, and some of the cool things they've done up front, but I'm not going to spend too much time outside. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so first and foremost, let's start with the numbers. This is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,250 pounds, cargo capacity of 1,822 pounds, a dry weight of 7,388 pounds, and it's going to ride on 15-inch E-rated tires with twin 4,400-pound axles. 3/4 ton towable. I would not put this behind a half-ton truck. Okay, so before we get any further, I want to show you something that they do that's really cool. I'll flip up this hatch, and they put the wet bay right here. Now, the wet bay itself located right here isn't that special. I like that it's inside, but I don't really care for it being on the wall right here. But what is special is the fact that they put a switch here that I really, really like. And that switch is this one right here, slide out switch. So it gives you the ability from right here to extend or retract your slide out, which if you're next to a tree or an obstacle can come in really, really handy. I love that. Plus a spray port, water. I mean, they put a lot of features here that you would traditionally only see on a fifth wheel. And maybe not just any fifth wheel, but actually a higher end fifth wheel. They even put your water pump switch out here, and they put your water pump right there, so it's super serviceable in case you do need to swap it out or you need to make changes to it. Nice thick baggage door, nice slam latch as well. Power front tongue jack, twin 30-pound propane can spots. You can't see a lot here, but what I can show you is something that's really, really special. First of all, there's a folding table in here. You can see it right up there. And then there's 2 switches right there that say awning switches. You actually can control your awnings from this location. So again, you can see if you're close to a tree or an obstacle, what's going on with your awnings, and you don't have to worry about hitting them. Really nice. Plus they give you USB power, all sorts of connections in there as well. There's no upgraded suspension on this. That is something that I would generally recommend doing after a couple thousand miles. Maybe put it on like a Road Armor or a Moride suspension upgrade with some heavy-duty shackle straps, greasable wet bolts, just stuff that can prolong that setup. This does have Goodyear Endurance tires, which is also really nice. You have an outside area. It might be locked. Nope, so you have an outside entertainment area right here, little shelf plus a TV. I like that. Let's close that up. And back here, I think you have a grill combo. So you have a grill griddle combo right here that slides out. Plus you have this insanely wide ladder, great for, I guess, drying off towels and stuff like that. Plus also climbing on top of the roof. Very cool, 2-inch receiver. It's meant for an accessory rack. You also have LED lighting. Well, let's work our way to the inside. So we're gonna hop inside of this 294 RK, Asdel on board. Going up the Lippert solid steps. All right. So this is a pretty dang cool floor plan, I gotta admit. I like the execution on it. You have your theater seating, you have your sofa over here, which is also theater seating. Actually, this is not theater seating. This folds out into a bed. That is actually reclining theater seating. And then you have bar stools right here. This is a super cool floor plan. I really, really like it. I venture to say this is probably best in class for this type of floor plan. This one might get a sticker. If you don't know what I mean by that, I'm actually putting stickers on best in class floor plans that I've walked through. So you have to come out here and, or maybe you've missed the show, or maybe this is after the show, but you might see a Big Truck Big RV sticker on RVs that I specifically pointed out as being what I consider to be best in class, or best in show. Furrion 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Very nice. Good size pantry space right here. One suggestion, make adjustable shelves, right? Just so you can move things around and you have more space for things than others. And if you want to put a big old roll of toilet paper or paper towels up here, you can, and then you can make the other shelves shorter. A lot of cabinetry in here. A lot of cabinetry. Very nice, very residential kitchen. Lots of countertop space, and I love the fact that there's drawers everywhere, but not just drawers. They typically, I think, hide some drawers within drawers. I don't know if they're doing that on this one or not. I don't see it. Good spot for your trash can. Okay, so MSRP is $60,740, has a show price of $43,999. Very, very nice. Perfect spot for a coffee maker. For me, would be right there. That way I can get to it from the kitchen or from the living room. Blackout shades, big atrium window, no carpet anywhere in this unit at all. And they do such a good job of it. Now it's hard to even tell where it transitions from the slide out cover to the floor. Big panoramic fireplace. Again, your bar stool's right here. This is a great spot if you you know, you have kiddos who are maybe taking homeschooling and they need a place to do their homework. And that would probably be where they'd have to sleep because this isn't a bunk unit. You have storage behind the TV, plus you have storage underneath the TV as well. Behind the TV, you're simply going to pull the TV out, and then you got tons of storage behind this TV. Very cool. All right. Got more storage up here. They say the slide outs are taller, which is nice because you can walk under them unless you're really tall. Plus you have storage right there. That's kind of cool too. Okay, over here you got your thermostat, you got your control panel. Then in here you got your shower, which has a really cool kind of screen. Very nice. Place for your towels, porcelain foot flush toilet with soft close lid. Stainless steel extra large sink basin. Nice space around it. Plus you have a good sized medicine cabinet. Lots of storage here for towels and toiletries. And you got drawers and more storage underneath. This is nicer than a lot of fifth wheel bathrooms. You have a nice hallway window right here as well with blackout shades. Make it nice and dark if you want to sleep in. Especially here in the bedroom. I mean, this is really where having blackout shades really help. Soft closing hinges. You have this epoxy hidden storage underneath. You can put a CPAP on here, charge your phones, tablets, put a cup of coffee. Really nice. Nice drawers. Reinforced drawers as well. You have more storage over here also, and you have blackout shade there. You have an AC here, and you have one more in the back over here. Nice sliding door. This is more wardrobe storage for you. And then you have some more storage in here with a hanging rack, which is nice because a lot of times this is a lacking area. No washer and dryer connections though, so you can't put a washer dryer unit in here. But that's kind of typical of travel trailers for the most part. And then you're going to have a big speaker up top here that you can connect to with Bluetooth. Very cool. But what do you guys think? You know, are you a fan of this? I like this floor plan. I love the fact that there's so many windows because you have this window over here, plus you have these windows over here. You get a lot of light inside, and if you're in a really nice scenic area, you have a lot to look at. It's just really nice. But I'd love to know your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again very soon.